Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting the tools ready. Install Google Earth Pro or Open Earth Studio and sign in. Make sure you confirm usage rights so your footage is cleared for YouTube. Once you pick a location, set resolution to 1920x 1080 or 4K and enable high-resolution imagery. This preserves detail when you zoom. Then choose whether you'll record live with screen capture or export animated frames. Both work, but export gives cleaner motion and consistent quality for editing later. Once done with setup, plan your camera moves. Start wide to orient viewers, then move to mid and close shots to highlight details. Use Earth Studio keyframes or Earth Pro's Tour Recorder to create smooth paths and apply easing so motion feels natural instead of robotic. Make sure to time each shot in seconds to match your narration or music. If you need specific points, import KML or add overlays later in your editor, so labels and icons remain crisp and editable. Finish by exporting your footage at your target FPS, 30 or 60, and use an H, 264 or H, 265 codec for YouTube compatibility. Then bring clips into your editor, sync your voiceover, add lower thirds and location captions, and color grade for contrast and readability. Make sure you include copyright-friendly music and on-screen credits for imagery. If you run into export failures or black screens, try enabling hardware acceleration, updating GPU drivers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.